Alright, I just picked this little gadget up right here. And so let me roll this, get one of these for the trip. See, good old selfie stick. I tried it already, linked it up with my phone. Works real good. I didn't know if it was gonna attach onto these hooks here, because this iPhone is the Max Pro model, so, and it has the case on it, and it's grip in there on the mount, good, nice secure fit. Has a little bit of side to side little sway on extension, but I mean, they should be able to get the job done. We'll put it through some tests here on the trip, see how it goes. Oh, and then on this bottom here, these unsnap, and it goes up to be a little tripod. And you can extend this out to like 26 or 28 inches height. But nice pickup addition. Nice pickup addition.